Welcome back everyone to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club. This is PALAK and today we are going to solve the questions Petya and string. This is from the question Codeforces beta round 85. So the question statement states that little Petya loves presents. His mum brought him two strings of the same size for his birthday. The string consists of uppercase and lowercase Latin letters. Now Petya wants to compare those two strings lexicographically. Lexicographically means according to the dictionary. The letter case does not matter. That is, uppercase letter is considered equivalent to the corresponding lowercase. Help Petya perform the comparison. Okay, the input format is obviously two strings. His mother brought him two strings. They both are of the same length. It is guaranteed that the strings are of the same length and it consists of uppercase and lowercase letters. So we can actually compare both the strings once we have both of them in lowercase. So the first step would be we have to convert them into lowercase and then only we can compare them. So in the comparison section, if the first string is less than the second one, we have to output -1. If the second string is less than the first one, we have to output 1. And if both of them are equal, then we have to output 0. Let's see some examples. So in this question, the test case is ABS and ABZ. So what I have done is I have created two dummy strings, which is A and B. In both of these strings, I have written all the lowercase letters. So A will be a, small b, and S. And for K, I have created the dummy string B. Since capital A, so we'll convert it into small b, it will remain as small b, and small z, it will remain as small z. Then we compare the strings A and B. A is equal to A, B is equal to B, and Z is bigger than S. Since the second string is bigger than the first string, we will output -1. One more such example is this one. In this, the strings are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which is the string A. The second string is A, B, C, D, capital E, F, and capital F. So we'll create again two dummy strings A and B and we'll create lowercase for the corresponding strings. So the string A is already in the lowercase, it will be copied as it is, and in the string B, since it is capital A, it will be a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, and small f. Then we'll compare the two strings A and B. A is equal to A, B is equal to B, C is equal to C, D is equal to D, E is equal to E, F is equal to F, and G is bigger than F, so we'll output -1. If it had been G here also, then we would have output 0. So let's see the program for this question. Okay, so we have taken two string S and K as mentioned in the question, and I have also taken two dummy strings A and B. Here N denotes the length of the string, so we have to iterate to every character of the string to convert it into its lowered form. So I have iterated from I is equals to 0, I less than the length of the string. Since both of the string are of the same length, I have only taken N, and then we'll create it into the lower. So the function is A is equals to A char 2 lower, and then it will create S of I, then it will just like lowercase it every digits. So if we'll compare now A and B. If A is equal to B, then we'll see out 0. If A is greater than B, we'll see out 1. Else, if A is smaller than B, then we'll see out -1. So we just created two dummy strings and we have taken all the lowercase letters in them. After creating all the uppercase letters in lowercase, then we compared these two strings and correspondingly we output all the conditions. Let's see if this goes past. So we can see that the solution is accepted and this is the correct solution for this questions. Thank you for joining in everybody.